Welcome to New Zealand. Here's a look at my Airbnb cottage. It is so cute. So it's definitely like a little in-law unit in the back. Great sized bed. Got some towels and linens. In the main house upstairs there is a restroom that way. Got my stuff all sprawled out. They provided water. There's a mini fridge. There's muesli, tea, whatever I need. This cute little mirror and some bathrobes. Here's what I look like after a long journey. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I haven't yet got my formal intro out of the way. So I'm here in Auckland, or Oakland if you're local. So let me catch you up on my day. I flew in, it was a non-stop flight from SFO to AKL. Landed at about 9 a.m., collected my bags. I then took the sky bus from the airport to like a downtown type area. And then I walked over to my Airbnb. The Airbnb was actually about 2.5 kilometers from where I got dropped off, so it was quite a way to walk with heavy bags, but I kind of like that on my first day, like in a new city, because by walking you get to see so much more than you would otherwise. So there were definitely plenty of little cafes and juice bars to stop at along the way on that walk. So the area I'm staying in, of course I'll link the Airbnb down below, as well as like a referral link if you want to sign up. We both get credits to spend. It's super cute, it's very like hipstery. The host was so nice and let me stash my bags there before the official check-in time, which was really cool of her. And she's pretty hands-off, like left the keys in the room, does her own thing, but has like a printout of all the guest rules and things to do and where to find stuff, so that's been great. So I had to go back to the room, kind of recharge my batteries as I said, then I had to shoot some photos for a blog campaign I'm working on with Moroccan oil. You'll see that on my Instagram by now. What else? I'm trying not to die because I have to remember to look right and then left. So I used so much Moroccan oil in these photos, I had to put my hair up because it's a little bit heavily saturated right now, but that's only because I was taking lots of pumps for photo purposes. So I'm gonna let this soak in my hair a little bit before I take it down. So I'm gonna go get a cocktail, maybe watch sunset. I forgot sunset's at like 8 here. No more 5 o'clock. So I'm taking about a 30-minute walk to the harbor wharf area to check that out, and I'll bring you guys along. Okay, you know you're no longer in America when you're walking by a humongous park and there are more games of rugby being played currently than I've ever seen in my entire life. Okay, it's about to go down. Good morning guys, it is day 2 in Auckland. I did get a morning coffee at Wolfe Coffee. It's like this little kiosk down at the wharf. Really cute. This cold brew is definitely hitting the spot. So I had a little bit of an early night last night. I was so tired and jet lagged that I was back in my Airbnb around 8 p.m. last night. I was so tired. So here we are, day 2, Auckland. I'm going to be taking a walking tour, a free walking tour of the city today. We are at the Queens Wharf down here at the waterfront, and I'm going to take you guys along. I'm really excited to see some of the local sites, street art, and cool, spots that we find along the way. So let's go.
Sure. So he was just literally thrown in the deep end and took the whole. Very close. None of your hair off, has it? I know. Also, if you have
So just wrapped up my free walking tour. It was amazing. I learned so much about the colonialization, the Maori tribes, and kind of the history there, as well as when Britain came in and kind of this, flip-flopping of power. We also learned a lot about the capital moving from Auckland down to Wellington, so just things, I had no idea about. Definitely learned a lot and highly recommend the walking tour. It's about 2.5 hours around this downtown area, and you just learn so much in a short amount of time. Lunch was amazing at Federal and Wolfe. Highly recommend it. And now I have no plans for the afternoon, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping on Queen Street because there were a lot of shops I passed by last night that were closed. But I can't spend too much, so let's see how it goes. This is VULCAN Lane. We were here a little bit ago on a walking tour, but it started to rain. So I'd come back and see it in the sunshine.
I'm cornered in the cold where you left me.
Got some local oysters here. We have Orango Bay and Waiheke, and of course some Sauvignon Blanc on tap.